Hi students, today we are going to try this book page number 7. So in before classes we have learned, that is in before session we have completed till the try these book page number 7 second question. Now here we are going to see third question. So what is this question based on? First we have to see that. So this question is based on the properties. So you all know the properties. I will recall you another time now. There is the first one is closure property, second is associative, third one is commutative, fourth one is identity, fifth one is inverse. We all know that what is a rule for that properties and all. So now here they have given three elements here. Okay, so three means what is uh, property here. So 3, if they gave you 3 elements, means suddenly you can answer that it is a associative property. Okay, now they have given few sums. You to be clarify the associative property. Okay, now they have given a sum. So you have to verify whether the two sides of that sum is equal or not. That's all. Okay, can we do that now? So please note it down. Then only you will be easily understand how to do it. Okay, otherwise it will be confused for you. Okay, now the first question. Okay, now the first question is minus 2 plus minus 9 plus 6 equal to minus 2 plus minus 9 plus 6. Okay, they have given two sides of our numbers. So we have to complete one side and then we are going to do the another side. So by using that, we are going to see which one, that is whether the two sides of our values are equal or not. Okay, now we can do this. Okay, now I already told you the first thing what we are going to do is based on the Bidma's rule. So based on the Bidma's rule, which one will come first? The brackets. So this we have to do it first. So while seeing this, there is how many operations? 1 2 3. So totally 3 operations, means how we are going to split it? We are going to split by 2. So first we are going to see minus plus. So minus plus is what? Minus. Then minus into minus plus. So we are going to add this sum. Okay, so while adding, the next step is what? We have to see the biggest number symbol. So biggest number symbol is what here? Here minus 2 minus 9. Which one is biggest? 9 is the biggest number. And what is the symbol of that? That is minus. So you have to take it and write it. Then you have to add 2 plus 9. What is 2 plus 9 is 11. The remaining plus 6. Clear? That remaining should come as it is. Okay, we should not do any alter in that. We have to write that as it is down. Okay, now next equal to. Next this side also we should see the bracket one first. So here it is minus 2, the same. Next the bracket what they have given we are going to see now. So the bracket, that is minus 9 plus 6. Yes, minus 9 plus 6. So here there is only two operations are there. So first here it is minus, here it is plus. So minus into plus, the symbols are different, means we have to subtract. So we are going to subtract these two numbers. Okay, then what we are going to see here? Then what we are going to see here? We are going to see the biggest number symbol. So the biggest number symbol is minus. So minus means we are going to write minus, and you have to subtract 9 minus 6. So while subtracting 9 minus 6, it will be 3. So here minus 3. Clear? Okay, can you understand? Okay, now this side we can see here. So here minus, here plus. So minus into plus, if they differ means we have to subtract. So and then we have to check the biggest number symbol. What is the biggest number symbol? It is minus. So we can write it as minus. So we have to subtract 11, 6. it will be 5. So here minus 5. This side it is minus 5, and this side we are going to check now. So here equal to, so there is three symbols, so first we have to check two symbols. Here it is minus, plus, it is minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So we are going to add the two numbers. So while adding we have to see the biggest number symbol. The biggest number is here is 2 or 3. 3 is the biggest number. So 3, and before 3 there is a symbol of negative form. So our answer should be in negative form. So we have to add these two. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So both the sides of our values are equal. So by this way only we have to verify the sums what they have given now. So can you understand, ma? So how we are going to verify it? Okay. Yes, I have explained slowly alone, so you can easily understand it. Okay. So okay, I will give you 30 seconds you to verify it. See, if you know that operations how we are going to do means you can easily identify that. Yes. Okay. Now next we are going to enter into the second sum. Okay, the second sum also the same thing we are going to apply here. Same thing means we are going to do the bid mass based on the bid mass rule alone. We are going to do it. So first we are going to see that bracket form. Yes, then only the operations we are going to see. So now the second question is 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 5 equal to 7 plus minus 8 minus 5. Clear? So now first what we are going to see is this side. So in this side, okay, now we can see this side. So now we are going to see the bracket one first. So for doing that we have to see the operation here. So there is two operation, that is plus minus. So when the operations are different we have to subtract the numbers. So and then the next step is we have to see the greatest number symbol. So the greatest number symbol is here is comparing to 7 and 8, which one is greatest? 8 is the greatest number. So which one? So 8 is the greatest number. So 8 contains subtraction symbol. So can take it and write it. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So 7 minus 8 is 1. Yes. Then plus this side as it is, it should come as it is. So it is minus 5 equal to also as it is. Then the 7 plus same. Then the bracket we are going to see here. So while seeing the bracket there is 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits they have given. Okay, now what we are going to do is we have to split from two symbols. So it is now here it is minus plus. So minus into plus is what? Minus, minus into minus plus. So we have to add the numbers. Okay, the next step is we have to see the greatest number symbol. So of 8 or 5, 8 or 5, which one is greatest here? 8 is the greatest number. So 8 contains subtraction symbol. Yes, 8 contains subtraction symbol. And now we are going to add these two numbers, that is 8 plus 5 is 13. Clear? Okay, now the next step is the same thing, that we are going to see this we are going to see the symbols. So minus into plus is minus, minus into minus plus. So we are going to add the numbers. And now the next one is we are going to see the negative form of biggest number, that is 5 is the biggest number, so it contains negative symbol. So then now we are going to add these two, that is 1 plus 5, 6 equal to this side plus minus, they have given plus into minus is minus. So we are going to subtract it. And the second step is what? We have to see the biggest number symbol. Yes, so the biggest number symbol is what? 7, 13. 13 is the biggest number, so we can take that minus. Yes, okay. Now 13 minus 7 is what? It is 6. So now these two sides also equal. Here it is minus 6, here it is minus 6. So you have to do that in proper method. If you didn't do it in proper method means though your answer will be wrong. Okay, you will not get the correct answer. You have to do in the procedure and then only you will be get the correct answer. Okay, students. Now the third sum is minus 11 plus 5 plus minus 14 equal to minus 11 plus 5 plus 5 plus minus 14. So likewise we are going to first do this side and this side. Now for that first we are going to use the BIDMAS rule here. So while using a BIDMAS rule, yes, while using a BIDMAS rule, we have to do the bracket one first, so bracket here. So here it is minus 11 plus 5. So here minus plus we should minus into plus is minus. The next step is we have to see the biggest number symbol. The biggest number symbol here contains is 11. So 11 contains minus here. Okay. Then we have to, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 11 minus 5 is what? 4. Sorry. 11 minus 5 is, okay, the 11 minus 5 is 6. So here minus 6 as it is. Then plus here minus 14. Clear? Okay, then that equal to also should come down. Okay, the next thing is the minus 11 also as it is we are going to write the plus. Then we are going to see this. So here plus, here minus. So minus in, so plus into minus is minus. So we are going to subtract the values. Okay, now while we are subtracting, the next procedure is to we have to see the biggest number symbol, that is 14 is the biggest number, so it has minus symbol. Okay, now now what we are going to do is 14 minus 5 is what? 14 minus 5 is 9. So sorry, we are going to subtract. So 14 minus 5 is 9. We can write it. Then the next step what we are going to do is we have to see the symbols. There is three symbols here. So on that occasion we are going to simplify it by 2. Okay, now it is minus plus minus plus into plus plus. So we are going to add it. So before that we have to see the greatest number symbol. Here it is 6, here it is 14. Which one is greatest number? 14 is the greatest number, so it has minus symbol. So we can write it as minus. Then we are going to add it. So 14 plus 6 is what? Add. It is 20. So this side minus 20 equal to, now here minus into plus minus plus minus into minus plus. So we are going to add it, and now we have to verify the biggest number symbol. The biggest number is 11 here, so it has the subtraction symbol. So we are going to write the subtraction symbol. Then we are going to add these two numbers, that is 11 plus 9 is what? It is 20. It is 20. So the both sides of our number also, the both sides of our values are equal. So minus 20 this side also minus 20. The fourth question what they have given is minus 5 plus minus 32 plus minus 2 equal to minus 5 plus minus 32 plus minus 2. Clear? So now first, as it is, what we are going to do is we are going to see the symbols, and now before that we are going to see the bracket here, and then only we are going to do the sum. Okay, now we can do it. Now we have to take it and write the same thing, then plus. Now here it is 3 symbol, minus plus minus. So minus into plus is minus, minus into minus plus. So we are going to add the number. Okay, the next step is we have to see the biggest number. Here the biggest number is 32. So 32 has subtraction symbol, that is negative symbol. We have to take it and write it. Then what we have to do, we are going to add the number. So 32 plus 2 is what? This 4 3, that is 34, equal to the same equal to, then this bracket we are going to see just minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Clear? Okay. The greatest number is minus 32. So we are writing the minus symbol here, negative symbol here. Then we have to add it. The 32 plus 5 is 7, 3. So 37 here plus and minus 2. Okay. Then in the next step also there is a 3, it forms a 3-digit number. So 3-digit number is as say the same thing we are going to do it here. That is minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Okay, the next step is we have to see the greatest number symbol. The greatest number symbol here is, that is 34. No, so 34 is the greatest number. So we are going to take the negative symbol of the 34 and we are going to add these two numbers, that is 35. Sorry, 34 plus 5 is 9, 3. 39 is your answer. Clear? Can you understand? While simplifying also you are getting the negative symbols. Sorry, three symbols and then you are simplifying it and you are getting the answer. Okay, the next thing is minus plus minus. So here minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Yes, so plus here plus means, so 37 is the biggest number, so it has a minus symbol. So 37 plus 2 is 9, 3. So here 39 is your answer. Clear? Okay, can you understand these sums? So you have to do the simplification process and then you have to give the answer for all these sums. Okay, then only you will get the answer. How to verify it? So verifying means whether you are getting the answers both sides. So both sides of our answers would be equal. See, this side also 39, this side also 39. Here minus 20, minus 20. Likewise, all the answers what you are getting is should be equal. Then only this, what is a property name, I already told you before starting the sums. It is associative property. So associative property will be satisfied. Okay. Okay. Next sum is the fourth question, that is find the missing integer. Find the missing integer by using the identity and by using the property inverse. That is, we are going to use two properties and we are going to give answer for these types of sums. Okay, can you understand what I am telling by using identity? What is the identity element of addition? What? The identity element of addition is 0. Yes, clear. Okay, by using that and the inverse property, what is the inverse of 5? Minus 5. What is the inverse of 2? Minus 2. What is the inverse of minus 200? 200. So likewise we are going to do the answer here. Okay, now the first question what we are seeing is 0 plus minus 95. So 0 plus minus 95, when you are adding when you are adding 0 with anything means we will get the answer as the same number which you are adding the number with 0. You will get the same number as your answer. I already told you in the before classes, that is in before sessions and all. So the same thing is I am going to apply here, that is 0 plus minus 95. So when you add anything with 0, you will get the same number. So what they are adding now here, it is minus 95. So our answer will be minus 95. Clear? So if you add anything with the 0 means you will get the same number. Okay, the next one, minus 611 plus dash equal to minus 611. So how you will give answer here? So here minus 611 equal to, sorry, plus dash equal to minus 611. Yes, so whether if you add anything with a number which will give you the same number, which is your number, what will be your number there? நீங்கள் எதால எந்த நம்பரை கூட்டினா அதே நம்பர் வரும். Yes, it is 0. So if you add anything with 0, it will give you the same number. Clear? Can you understand what is identity element of addition? It is 0. Clear? Okay. The next thing is third one. They didn't give any number. You can apply whatever number you want. You can apply whatever number you want. I am going to give here is 200, sorry, minus 200 means, so here minus 200 plus 0. So when you add anything with 0, you will get the same number. So that is minus 200. So you can give here not only 200, you can give many numbers like whatever number you want, you can give in addition format also. You can give 11, 12, then 2 plus 200 or 611. Likewise, whatever number you want, you can do it. Okay, not only this, you can give whatever number you want, you can add it here. Okay, the next fourth question is 0 plus minus 140. So when you add 0 with anything, you will get the same number, that is minus 140. Can you understand, ma? So these four sums, what we have did now is based on the identity and inverse. So now what is the identity element of addition? 0. I often reminding you that there is a identity element for addition. I often clarifying you that. Okay, keep it in mind, don't forget that that term will come in your 12th standard. Surely it will come on your 12th standard classes. Okay. Okay, now next is fifth question is complete the following. Here also we are going to see the identity property and the inverse property. Okay, the first question what they have given is minus 603 plus 603. See, minus 603 plus 603. See, you can do it in normal way also. Otherwise, I already told you property. Property means it is for us to do the problem in a very simple manner. So now here, see here, 603. So what is the inverse of 603 here? Minus 603. Yes. So 603 means the inverse of 603 is minus 603. Yes, what is a property here based on this property? What is a property here? Inverse property. What is the inverse property? Minus a plus a equal to 0. Yes? Yes or no? Minus a plus a equal to 0. So by on seeing that method, our answer will be what? 0, because here it is minus a plus a equal to 0. So by using a simple property, we have done the problem in very easy manner. Yes. So for that only we are using the properties. Okay. Okay, then here also 9847 plus minus 9847. Okay, here it is in subtraction, but here it is in this side it is in addition and this side it is in subtraction, but the two values are same. Then how we can split it? A plus minus a equal to what? 0. It is based on the property, inverse property. Then our answer will be what? Here 0. Clear? Can you understand? It is based on the simple property only we are doing here. Okay, now the next one, 1652 plus minus 1652. Both the sides of our numbers are same, but the symbols vary. So a plus minus a equal to what? 0. So here a plus minus a equal to what? 0. Clear? Okay, ma'am. Okay. The next thing is, that is a fourth one, minus 777 plus dash equal to 0. So minus, here minus a they have given, plus here what should be your answer here? Here it should be a equal to 0. Then only it will tally, no? இப்படி இருந்தால் தானே அது டேலி ஆகும். மைனஸ் ஏ ப்ளஸ் ஏ ஈக்குவல் டு ஜீரோன்னு தானே ஆன்சர் வரும். அப்போ அங்கே என்ன வரணும் நம்மளுக்கு? ஏ. ஸோ ஹியர் இட் இஸ் minus 777 means here it is 777 equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Now the last sum it is here minus a plus a equal to 0. Here it is in plus, but our answer should be in minus. That's all. Can you understand this? Can you understand how to do these problems? Okay, now I will recall you another time. Now here in this session we have used the property for the sums. to be easily clarified. That is, in first one we have studied about the associative property, and by using the associative property we have studied how to simplify the property. Yes, how to simplify those properties, and then only we can easily identify the sums. Okay, the second sum, that is the fourth sum, what we have seen is find the missing values. So find the missing values. In that session we have studied about the identity element and the inverse element. So we have to apply the identity element there. That is, what is the identity element of addition means it is 0. So by using that 0 we did the sums, and the next last one is that is 5. Fifth sum we have applied the inverse property. So by using the properties, when you do a sum, your sum will be completed in 2 steps itself. But if you didn't use that sum mean use that property means it will go extend your sums, and it will go longer and longer. Okay, now in this session we have completed the properties of addition. In next session we are going to see a new topic, that is subtraction integer. So as well as what we have learned in addition, we are going to see it in subtraction. That is, first we are going to see the number line, how to draw the number line, and how without number line, and then we are going to see the properties also in subtraction. Okay, students. So I will give you homework, and based on this sums you have to do it. Then only you will be clarified how the integers can form a property and how we can simplify the property. Okay, students. Thank you.